In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report abuse on Google sites. If you come across spam, phishing, malware, or content that violates policies on a site built with Google Sites, there's a built-in way to flag it so Google can review. I'll walk you through the process from inside Google Sites, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to keep your report clear and effective. First, open Google Sites. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account so you can access the site's dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Recent section. This shows sites you've opened lately. It's a quick way to reach the site you want to report. If you see it there, great. Click it to open the site's editor. With the site open, you'll be in the editing view. We're not making changes, we just need to move into the viewer experience so we can access the reporting link that Google provides. At the top of the screen, locate the preview button. It usually looks like a small monitor or phone and desktop icon near the upper right. Preview lets you see the site as visitors do, which is where the report abuse option appears. Go ahead and click Preview. The site will open in a clean, view-only mode. Now scroll to the bottom of the page. In the footer area, you should see a link labeled Report Abuse. This link connects you to Google's official reporting form for sites content. Click Report Abuse. A form will open in a new tab or window. On this form, select the reason that best matches what you're reporting. Choose the most accurate category. Accuracy helps reviewers handle your report faster. Keep your description factual and specific. Point to the exact page or section, and avoid sharing any sensitive personal information. You may see additional fields or prompts depending on the reason you choose. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. When you're confident your selections are correct, click Submit Report. After you submit, you should see a confirmation that your report was received. Google's team will review it and take action as appropriate under their policies. You won't typically get individual follow-ups, but your report helps keep the platform safe for everyone. That's the whole process. Open Google Sites, go to your recent sites, open the site, switch to Preview, click Report Abuse, choose the reason, and submit. Use this responsibly, and only for content that truly violates policies. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you report abuse on Google Sites quickly and confidently.